In this video, I'll show you how to install Grok on your laptop or PC, so you can use it like a normal desktop app, instead of opening it from your browser every time. This is useful if you use Grok often and want faster access right from your computer. Let's get started. First, open your web browser. I'll be using Google Chrome, but you can follow along with any browser that supports installing websites as apps. In the search bar, type Grok AI, then open the official Grok website. I'll also leave the direct link in the description so you can access it quickly. Once the website opens, go to the top right corner of your browser and click the three-dot menu. From here, select Cast, Save, and Share, then click Install Grok. Now click Install to confirm. Your browser will now install Grok as a desktop app on your computer. Once the installation is complete, Grok should open automatically. But if it doesn't open right away, no problem. Just search for Grok from your Start menu or Computer Search, then open it from there. You may also see a Grok shortcut on your desktop, which lets you launch it anytime with just one click. Now, simply sign in to your account. After signing in, you can start using Grok just like you would in your browser, but in a cleaner and more app-like experience. The best part is that Grok will feel more like a dedicated program on your computer. So whenever you need help with research, writing, coding, ideas, or quick answers, you can open it directly without going through extra steps. And that's it. That's how to install Grok on your laptop or PC. If this video helped you, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications for more quick and simple tech tutorials.